Hi, my name's Rob Smith and welcome to my channel Making Teas. Today is just a little video on how I take a portion of a logo because the customer wants to use the logo on the front and a part of the text part of it on the back. So I'm going to remove the little piece of text from the logo, transfer that over to another document, convert it to black because it's going to be cut in vinyl, so it doesn't matter what it's in, and the machine, the kind of vinyl cutter, seems to read black better than the gold. And I'll just show you how we do that and why we do it. So right, as you can see, I've just brought up a document which has got the logo in it. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to select the Lasso tool. I'm going to just go all the way around it. Okay, then I'm going to go up to copy, take it over to another file and paste, and there we have it. So what I'm now going to do is remove the background. So I need to go to the magic wand, which is here, and then click on the white areas, go up to edit, down to clear, and that'll start to take out the white areas. So we're going to remove all the bits of white. The reason we do this is because I'm going to convert it to black, put an overlay on it. So if I didn't put an overlay on it, it would also put these white bits to black and make it like a solid part. So this is the all of the background removed from. So we've taken the text out of the logo here. As you can see, it was there. We've cut it around with a lasso, copied and pasted it, and put it onto another sheet. Then what we're going to do is we're going to come over to here where it says layer 1, double click on right on the edge, and it'll bring up this page. You're going to scroll down to the top colour overlay, double click that, onto the black, yeah, okay, and there we are, that's now in black. Okay, so what I could do with that is I can now trim the page, which I can say okay, and there I have it ready. So I'll save that as a PNG, and then I can save that also in my Creative Cloud, which means I then go to another computer, which then I can open up the vinyl cutter, cut that using a piece of the gold HTV. Right, let's get on to that bit. Okay, so what we've done is we've removed part of a logo, the text out of a logo, using Photoshop 2022. Now this was the logo that we brought up on the screen, and we wanted to take this little bit of text here and just use that on the backs of the garment. So what I did was I showed you how to use a lasso to go around the text in the logo, then move it to another page or document, remove the background, convert it to black, and I sent it to my other computer. I haven't got that as a screen grab because I don't know how to do that on the other computer. But anyway, what I've done was I cut it in gold, and I've weeded one out to show you. So there we are. So we have basically used even though we converted it to black, we've used a gold vinyl to match the gold thread, and now we've just got the name of the business in the same font, exactly the same from the logo, but cut in vinyl. So that way it keeps a nice consistency from the front to the back. We haven't had to try and find the font. We've literally used exactly the logo, but just the text out of it, but we grabbed that out of the logo file. So we'll quickly press these shirts and show you the end result. Okay, so what we'll do is we'll press this top. It's the same standard HTV vinyl I always use. There'll be a link up here to a video about that. I won't go through the whole process, but it's 140 degrees, rate to 10 seconds on a medium to high pressure. So we'll give this one a press. And then what we've done is we've taken the exact part of the logo out, cut it in vinyl, stuck it on the back. Keeps a nice bit of continuity between the front and the back, and you're not hunting around for fonts online to match it up. So yeah, so that's that. And there we go, in gold on the back, is the customer's name to go along with the gold front logo. Anyway, I hope that video has been of some use to you about how to lasso part of a logo in Photoshop and then move it over and sort of the process of getting it to be usable for cut vinyl. If you like this sort of video, please do let me know in the comments below. Please do like and subscribe to the channel, really appreciate it. If you haven't seen, I've got a few other channels, Rob's Van Life, where I'm trying to convert a van to a camper. There's going to be build videos and hopefully some travel videos, so please go and like and subscribe to that. And also another channel of me and a mate, Rob and Scott, where we try weird and wacky foods from around the world, some nice, some not so nice. So again, please follow that, that'd be magic. I'll put a link to both of them down below. And yeah, hopefully this has been some use or some help to anyone, and until next time.